Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can make $100 per day using AI videos. I will show you step-by-step tutorials how we can find your top trending product, then how we can create AI videos using InVideo, and how we can upload into your YouTube channel. The process I am going to show you, you may call it's YouTube automation. You don't need to high skill to make money from home. So just follow this step and I believe you can make money using these tips and tricks. So if you are a student, if you are a housewife, and if you are a job holder, and if you want to start your side hustle, so this video for you. So no more delay, so let's get started. So if you are a beginner, don't worry at all. I will show you each and every steps so that you can understand and you can apply. So our target is making $100 per day using AI videos, guys. And the very beginning, we have to create a YouTube channel and a TikTok account. Create a niche YouTube channel, create a niche TikTok account. So what is niche and what is called niche YouTube channel, niche TikTok account? Alright, so what is niche channel or account? So channel, that's mean YouTube channel, account your TikTok account or any other social media account. So let's see, we have some list over there. I have just added 6 name over there. The number 1 is fitness, travel, tech gadget, make money, online business, and real estate. So maybe you are interested in tech gadgets. I am also. If you love tech gadgets, so everyone loves tech gadget right now. If you love to watch more videos like tech gadget reviews and different kind of products, okay, so I think you're gonna make different kind of videos on that, because if you are in it, if you are interested in it, so you can make videos. So this is very easy. And if you are a fitness lover, that's mean if you love to go gymnasium, or if you love to do different kind of things on fitness, diets, on any other health issues, okay, so you can choose your fitness niche. All right. And the travel, so many of you right now are traveling, so you can make travel videos as well, or also make money. So if you love to talk about making money, so you can create making money videos, online business. So if you have any interest on online business and if you are an expertise, so you can make videos. Also you can talk about real estate. So maybe you can ask, can I make all videos? Like, can I choose each and every niches? Yes, definitely you can. If you want, you can, no problem. There is no boundary, you can make anything. But the problem is niche channel and niche account. That's mean if someone watches or if someone searching like a top 10 best, so they might be looking for tech gadgets, especially different kind of travel gadgets. That's mean the baggage, luggage, and different kind of clothings, okay. So maybe she loves to travel, so that's why he is looking for traveling, okay. So the meaning is, if you want to catch each and every one, so you will not catch no one, okay. So this is the very clear thing, you have to understand this and you have to know that. So niche channel, niche account, that's mean a specific topic, a specific video for a specific persons, so that's called niche based account. All right, so I think you got it. So I'm going to choose a tech gadget. You want to make videos tech gadget. So finally you have been selected tech gadgets as a niche channel or niche account. So now it's time to create a YouTube channel. So it's very easy. You can create a YouTube channel as well. So you will find different kind of videos how you can create a YouTube channel. You can open into your mobile phone, also using your laptop, desktop, no problem. Also you can create a TikTok account. So it's very easy. So just using your TikTok app, you can create an account. And then when you complete your account, our step should be, so that's when we have to follow these 10 steps. I will show you some of them so that you can do this. Rest of the points you can do easily, no problem. Trending product research, how we can find trending products, how we can list your products, okay. So also how we can create a Excel or a spreadsheet, create AI video, I will show you, no problem. Also URL to video and thumbnail, so I will show you another tutorial how you can create thumbnail. Also you can do yourself video SEO and title. Okay, video upload on YouTube or TikTok, you can do it very easily. Create Amazon affiliate and add affiliates link. So I think this 6 to 10 points you can do yourself. So I'm going to show you 1 to 5 points. That's mean trending product list, spreadsheet creating, AI video account, URL to video. That's all. You can use Amazon. The best way is Google Trends. So maybe you heard something about Google Trends. So this is the best tools to finding the trending topics or different kind of products and anything that's gonna trending right now. So I am going to search smartwatches. Okay, all right, so smartwatches, it's a topic. Select your countries. Also you can keep worldwide, and also you can select your specific country and the time framework. That's mean, so we have to select like at least past 12 months, and also you will find the interest about the time. That's mean this is the graph it shows. So I will explain little bit so that you can understand. So if I change it as 90 days, so maybe it will be changes. Okay, so what is the meaning of interest over the time period? Okay, that's mean, so if we see the line above 25, so that's mean it's really great product and great to promote. That's mean the trending product. So we can see it's above 50. So right now we are checking web research. Okay, web search. So also you can check as YouTube search. So that's why product research is really important. So if you want to do affiliate marketing, also video marketing, and that's gonna make you money. Okay, all right, also you'll find related queries. That's why people are also searching, and also you will find the sub-region areas, and you will see the different states and different search results. And next step is we have to find a good product, like top selling product on Amazon, guys. So let's search smartwatch for men. Also you can find, so let's find the best product. How we can do this? Just click on that, sort by featured, and let's click on bestseller, and you will find there are lots of bestseller over there. Alright, and the second one is 5k bought in the first month and 1487. So let's click on that. So we have some columns over there like product name, product price, product URL, description, and product affiliate link. So let's copy the product name. Alright, so number one trending product research, it's done, and 100 product list, it's done. That's mean you have to analyze different kind of products and you can make a list on the spreadsheet. Okay, and also we have a spreadsheet, it's done, and now it's time to create AI video generator account. Then we're going to generate URL to video. So let's jump into the in video. So I'm going to show you how we can create URL to video. That's mean Amazon URL to video using in video. So you have to sign up with your Gmail account. So I have already account, so let's click on try to in video AI. All right, and this is the in video dashboard, guys. And there is an option where you can write. That's mean if you want to generate a video. Okay, also you will see the bottom workflows and plugins. You will find YouTube explainer, script to video, YouTube shorts. That's why if you want to make. Okay, so let's click on explore all, and we're going to select news video. Under the news video you will see options like where you can input your Wikipedia link or something like that. That's mean we can input a URL. So let's copy the URL from our Google spreadsheet. Also you can open and you can click and you can copy from the website. So click on that, paste it here, and right before create a video, and then rest of your text. All right, guys, and scroll down and we have some settings over there. Make sure your voices, so female, so male, female, whatever you want, and any voices, clear American voices, narrator, and add subtitle. So if you want to add captions like subtitles, so also you can add different kind of effects over there. So I'm going to select add bold subtitles and popping effect, and the watermark, and use iStock as needed, it's okay. And also use audio from library, that's my YouTube library. So it's a great way to YouTube audio library, because you don't worry about the copyright strike. So everything is done, so let's click on continue. Alright, so in video AI will help us to analyze the content, and then still thinking, and they are browsing the website, that's been our product page, and then finally they will create a video. Okay, so I will show you the final results. In the second step we have to select some audience. So I'm going to create YouTube video, long format video. So let's click on continue. So I found this easiest way you can make money online. If you are a student, this is the best way. You don't have to spend any money to hire someone who can do a great video editing or script writing or different kind of steps. Okay, so follow the steps and generate the video, and I think rest of the work you can do it very easily. Just create thumbnail using Canva and you will find different kind of tutorials, video SEO, title tags. Slowly and surely I will show the each and every steps, so don't forget to subscribe. I am requesting again. So if you have any queries, please comment below. Alright guys, finally our video is ready, so let's play the video.
Looking for a smartwatch that can handle everything you throw at it? Your search ends here. This isn't just any smartwatch. Crafted from military-grade aluminum alloy, it's built to withstand extreme temperatures, low pressure, and dust. From mountain peaks to desert trails, this watch is your ultimate adventure companion. But it's not just tough. It's smart too. Monitor your heart rate, blood oxygen levels, and sleep patterns to keep your health in check. Plus, get reminders to stay active and hydrated, ensuring peak performance all day long. And we know you hate charging as much as we do. That's why our smartwatch comes with a large capacity battery, compatible with most iOS 8.0 and Android 4.4 smartphones. Spend more time exploring and less time tethered to a charger. So why settle for less? Elevate your game with the military smartwatch for men. Adventure awaits.
Alright guys, I think you will love it. Okay, so it's time to download. So before download, if you want to add something or if you want to change something, so just give a comment there. Also you can change from here. Okay, also if you want to edit something, like, so click on edit. Like as a free version you have to select stock watermark, also click on normal and then click on continue. Alright guys, so making money from Amazon using AI videos, so I think this would be your best video. So watch this video from start to end, and if you have any queries, please comment below and I will come back with another tutorial. So stay tuned, have a good day, tata, bye bye.